Assalamu alaikum everyone, a very warm welcome to my channel. This is simply me. I hope everyone is good and doing good with their lives. So guys, today I've decided to make a one-pot pasta which is very easy, and whatever ingredients you have, just take out from your fridge and start cooking a one-pot pasta, which is simplest with the spices and simplest with the ingredients. So I didn't arrange very special ingredients for the pasta. Whatever I have in my fridge, just take it out and start cooking. So I have one packet of pasta. Whatever you want, you can take it. And I have 1.5 onion, 1.5 tomato, half pepper, and half cabbage. These are the simple ingredients I have. And if you want to add spring onions, it's up to you. So let's get into the recipe. Very simple, very quick, and super delicious with minimum of ingredients and spices. This pot pasta will make your day. I hope you will love the recipe. Do drop the comments and subscribe.